welcome to today's architectural deep dive, where we explore a tiny house that has undergone a remarkable evolution, from classic country style to a refined, classy farmhouse glow-up. This tour reveals how thoughtful design, modern elegance, and clever layout choices can redefine small space living. Get ready to see charm meet sophistication in under 400 square feet. Before the transformation, this tiny house carried traditional country elements, weathered textures, warm tones, and simple layouts. The redesign kept the heart of that charm but elevated it with a more polished aesthetic. Clean lines, balanced color palettes, and curated materials now blend seamlessly with the home's rustic soul, creating a fresh yet familiar atmosphere. The glow-up begins the moment you see the exterior. Crisp white siding, matte black window frames, and a newly built deck deliver a perfect mix of country friendliness and upscale farmhouse appeal. Subtle lighting along the entryway highlights craftsmanship that feels warm but undeniably elevated, setting the tone for what's inside. As you step through the front door, the transformation becomes even more apparent. The entryway is spacious, clean, and intentionally designed to feel welcoming. Soft neutral tones reflect natural light beautifully, while touches of wood maintain a cozy farmhouse spirit. Every detail, from hooks to storage solutions, has been chosen to enhance comfort and organization. The living area showcases one of the most impressive glow-ups. What was once a compact, rustic sitting room is now an airy haven filled with elevated decor, plush furnishings, and beautifully layered textures. High ceilings, open shelving, and strategic lighting make this tiny house feel significantly larger, while still honoring its country charm. The kitchen takes center stage with its luxurious yet practical redesign. Sleek cabinetry, brushed gold hardware, and modern farmhouse fixtures create a stunning aesthetic without sacrificing functionality. Quartz countertops, clever storage nooks, and multifunction appliances turn this small space into a chef-friendly zone that feels both premium and personal. The dining nook is proof that small spaces can be both intimate and upscale. A custom-built bench paired with a warm wooden table creates a perfect balance of comfort and style. Soft textiles, decorative accents, and a window view make every meal feel like a relaxing moment, even in a tiny footprint. Moving into the bedroom loft, the glow-up shines even brighter. Natural textures, layered linens, and soft lighting create a serene retreat that feels elegant without being overly decorated. Country elements like reclaimed wood accents pair beautifully with modern ornamentation, resulting in a space that is as restful as it is beautiful. Once a simple and functional room, the bathroom now feels spa-like and intentionally designed. White shiplap walls, matte fixtures, and a beautifully tiled walk-in shower elevate the entire space. Despite its size, the bathroom feels luxurious, airy, and totally consistent with the refined farmhouse theme that defines the rest of the home. This tiny farmhouse proves that small spaces can achieve stunning transformations with the right balance of charm and elegance. From the redesigned living area to the boutique-style bathroom, every corner reflects thoughtful design and upgraded character. This glow-up not only enhances the home's beauty, but also reimagines what classy living can look like in a tiny footprint.